In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to downslam in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to downslam as any character in Cursed Arena, and you will be able to use it to attack other players and combo them. You will be able to jump up and perform this attack that does a little area of effect damage. So all that you have to do is do 3 M1s, and before you finish the last M1 chain, you have to jump. So do 3 M1s and then jump and do the last one, and you will see your character stomp the ground. So once again, 3 M1s, stop M1ing, jump and press M1, and you will be able to perform a down slam. This will pin the opponent to the ground, and you will do this little area of effect damage. You have to be careful because if you don't jump, you will perform an up throw or an uppercut instead. So this is why it's very important that you do 3 M1s, wait to jump, and then you click again or tap the M1 button. If you are on mobile, then you will have to use the jump button that you can see on screen, but if you are playing on PC, you just have to press space to jump, and when you see your character physically jump, just press M1 once more. He will return to the ground and perform this kick that pins your opponent to the ground and breaks this area around them. So as you can see, I was able to attack both the blocking dummy and the normal dummy at the same time. And like I said, you have to wait until you jump. Don't spam the 3 M1s, or else you might not be able to jump before the 4th. And as long as you wait a little bit before doing the 4th M1, you will be able to jump and do the down slam. So this is all you have to do. If you try to jump and attack, you will just see this punch in the air. So you do have to start some M1s and then finish with the jump M1. This way, you will guarantee that you get a down slam. If you try to do it without doing the M1s before, then your character is simply going to jump up and then do a punch in the air. So that's all you have to do to properly perform a down slam. I hope I was able to help you on how to down slam in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.